வணக்கம். இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற வீடியோ வந்து அந்த 3D டிராயிங்கோட சீரியல்லே இப்போ வந்து floating and pouring water. See, this type of class is the top, floating. Then from here your water is down. Okay, then we have to draw like this. See, same thing. Take A4 sheet and draw a glass like this. Draw the glass and pouring water, but this you have to do it pakka drawing like a glass, real glass. Otherwise that 3D effect will not come. The same thing shadow also. There is a pouring water. Okay. The next same thing you do it in the cut the paper like this. Cut. Okay, then you do it like this. Now can see the 3D effect is coming now. Very simple. Anybody can draw, but you have to understand the things, shadow, light and shadow and other thing. Okay, very simple. Then we have to draw the steps, ladder and inside the floor. That everything can do it, but you have to use the perspective drawing and light and shadow. That is very important. You should know all these things, then only you go for the 3D drawing. Okay, thank you.